彼も私と同じく疲れているはずだ。はずだ。
It must be, it should be. To express a strong expectation or assumption, it indicates that something must be or should be the case based on logical reasoning or evidence.
彼は動物園に行きたがる。がる。
To show signs of, to feel, to think. Someone shows signs of the adjective. It's often used to describe the emotional state or tendencies of others.
日本語だけで会話しましょう。だけで。
Just by. To indicate that a particular action or condition is sufficient for a certain.
雨が降れば試合は中止だ。ば。
If, then. To express a conditional relationship, it's often used in if, then.
あまり肉を食べない。あまり、ない。
Not very, not much. To describe the degree or frequency of an action.
このアパートには引っ越してきたばかりだ。ばかり。
Only, nothing but. When you want to emphasize that something is exclusive or predominant.
私の家は高さは3階分ありますが、床は一つだけです。さ。
Nominalizer for adjectives. The suffix sa in Japanese is used to turn an adjective or a noun into an abstract noun that represents the quality or characteristic of that adjective or noun.
君にどうしてもそれを言わせたかったんだ。させる。
To make or let somebody do something. The verb ending saseru in Japanese is a causative form. It is used to indicate the action of making or letting someone do something.
教師から叱られているときには、口を紡ぐものだということも知らないのか？られる。
Passive voice indicates the action is being done to the subject rather than the subject performing the action.
仕事くらいすぐに見つけられる。られる。
To be able to do something. The potential form is used to express the ability or possibility to do an action. It is created by attaching rareru to the verb stem. The potential form of a verb allows you to say that someone can do something.